Walking, I pass the parks, past the churches, past the schools. The wind whistles as wheelie bins come alive in the night time, rolling across the road, on their way to say hi to their friends on the other side. Light illuminates the street, casting shadows. I know that my hand is held by light. She protects me as I walk in the dark, leaving me no longer needing to look over my shoulder anymore, knowing I'm safer, knowing we're safer. Walking down Ayres Road, I pass Dean's, past Creative Space, past my eyebrow lady, past the Polski Sklep. Day turns to night, darkness and moonlight as the foxes come out to play. Light illuminates the streets, casting shadows. The horrors of harassment have lessened, leaving my heart less heavy, throat no longer filling up with emotion as words are spat at me. Hopefully the horrors are to be eradicated to nothing. We're reclaiming our rights, taking back our ability to roam and walk freely.